In the previous video, we saw how to install Git in our system. Now let us try to install Visual Studio Code, which we will be using for most of our projects. So just go open the browser that you have in your system and type VSCode and just press enter and click on download and just click on Windows 7, 8, 10, which we have, right? So just click on that, and based on your internet connectivity speed, it will take some time to download. I have a pretty much decent speed, so it's getting downloaded very quickly. So just wait for a few seconds, and it's done. Now go to the downloads folder where you have all the files. Double click on the setup file, and there might be a pop-up asking for you to accept or reject. So just click on yes. I accept the agreement. And as usual, we won't be installing to the default location because we would like to know where it is being installed. So what I will do is I'll go to the common folder and just I'll show you like what happens. I'll remove all these things because we don't need it. So I'll just give common. And we know like VS Code is Microsoft's product, so I'm just removing Microsoft name in the folder name. So this is how I'm renaming it. You're free to do whatever you want. Like wherever you want to install, you can install. But I'm installing it in the common folder so that I can keep track like where it is installed, so that if any problem arises, I can easily rectify. And that's also an issue with the permissions when you install in program files and stuff like that. So when you install it in a separate folder, you won't be getting all these errors. So once it's done, just click on next. You can also, I want to create a start menu folder. Like here, I want something called VS Code. So I'll just click on, like if you want that, just unselect this option or leave it as it is. If you don't want, just unselect it. Select it. Now click on next. Select all these options and click on next. Click on install, and like we saw for Git, here we have the folder called VS Code. It's the same name that we have given while installation. And it's done. Just click on leave that option as it is, and let's see how the VS Code looks. First time it loads, it will be looking something to this. Let me maximize the screen. I'll just mark it as done because I know what I'm doing. So you can just click on more. So okay, I'll just close this. Let us try to open that particular folder, right? Which we cloned. We'll try to open that using VS Code, but I think it's not necessary. So, but anyways, let's do that. So to do that, what we have to do is just click on File, click on Open Folder. Uh, we have that folder in the desktop. So just go to that particular folder and select that particular folder. Once you select it, I'll just click on Trusty Authors and all those stuff because it's I who created the folder. So I'm just giving yes. If you can see this, this icons is actually pretty not that good. So what I will do is I'll customize it. I'll install the Prettier extension for code formatting. And once that is installed, what I will do is I'll go to the settings. And like you can also go to settings using control plus comma. If you can go to the settings. I think another way which you can do is view. Okay, I think it's not view. I think it's file. Settings might be here. Yeah, we have preferences and we have settings. Like I said, control plus comma. And search for tab width and set it for 4 because that's the default recommended way. So set it for 4. And once that is done, what you can do is go to extensions tab, search for Philip, Philipp, Philip, Kite, and install the material icon thing because that's one of the theme which I like. You are free to install whatever theme that you like, but I'm just showing you how I am setting it up in my system. So, and I'm also installing material product icons because I don't like these icon styles, so I'm just changing it. And I also like this cobalt theme. So I'll install this. So now if I go over here and see it, the icons are much more neater than what it used to be before. So yeah, this is good. So this is how you install VS Code and set up some of the extensions. Thank you for watching it till the end.